God said, "Let there be light," and there was light, and it was good. However, I needed a bug light, not the beer kind. I needed a bug light. This light attracts so many flying bugs of all sorts that spiders started to come in my house. I really did not want to spend $300 on a ladder. So I used this 11-foot steel plastic light bulb changer. I got this one from Lowe's, but you can get it from Amazon. I'll put the links down below of what I got so you know where to get them. And as you can see, I tried changing this, but I'm having problems because the lantern would move around whenever I tried to twist and turn the bulb. So always keep safety in mind when doing any type of project such as this, because you don't want something to fall on your head. I bought this hard hat, which is great because it comes with 2 types of face shields, and then it also has earmuffs to protect your ears from high frequency sounds from a power tool. It's great for outdoor work like trimming your bushes, cutting wood for safety. I know my neighbors think I'm silly when I wear this, but hey, I'm protecting my face, my eyes, my ears, my head. So I got this boat hook online with a pole. You can get this on Amazon. So I found it easy if you grab a person to help you with this. And those people in your life, well, they are the light of your life. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And my wife is helping me right here. She's using the boat hook to hold the lantern in place while I am twisting and turning the light bulb to take it down, and this is what you need to do without using a ladder. In times of darkness, God called us to be the light in someone's life. That's why I'm grateful for my wife, my family, my friends, the people I love, because they shine for me just as much as I shine for them. Here my wife is changing out the bulb. She's putting the bug light in there, and that's a yellow amber bug light. So here's my wife helping me again, and she's using the boat hook to hold the lantern in place while I am screwing in the bug light. This is what you do if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a ladder or any type of heavy equipment, because you're doing it only one time for like every several years until the bug light dies. And plus, having a pole is very helpful when you have a house in case you want to paint something very high up in the ceiling or trimming parts of a tree with a little saw. And this is me just testing out the light, and it works. If you like my little video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can. I am Jess with Success. You have a great and happy day.